If you've ever tried taking a close-up photo with your phone and ended up with a blurry mess, you know how frustrating it can be. Tiny details that look amazing in real life often disappear completely on camera, making it almost impossible to capture the textures, patterns, and fine details you actually want to see. And whether you're inspecting jewelry, photographing insects, working on DIY projects, or exploring nature outdoors, missing those details means missing what makes the subject truly interesting. That's where the APEXEL 3-in-1 microscope lens kit comes in. Available in 100x, 150x, and 200x magnification options, this compact macro lens transforms your smartphone into a portable microscope, giving you a whole new perspective right from your pocket. The built-in LED light helps illuminate subjects when lighting conditions aren't ideal, while the adjustable focus allows you to dial in sharp and detailed images. Simply attach the lens to your iPhone or Android smartphone, turn on the light if needed, and experiment with different distances and angles to capture stunning close-up shots. Imagine examining the intricate design of a ring, capturing the texture of a leaf during a hike, or photographing tiny insects and artistic patterns that normally go unnoticed. Its portable design makes it easy to bring along wherever inspiration strikes. With CE and ROSE certifications and a simple setup process, it's a practical option for anyone who enjoys macro photography or discovering the hidden details around them. If you're curious to see what your phone camera has been missing, you'll find the link in the description below before you miss out on it.